Right away, you can tell this isn't just about one payment, it's about trust. The father insists he paid, but the court can only rely on what has actually been processed and documented. That's one of the hardest parts of these hearings. Good intentions don't automatically become legal proof. When someone's financial responsibilities involve a child, timing matters just as much as the payment itself. You can already sense the judge trying to separate promises from evidence before making any assumptions.
If I could have both of you raise your right hands, please. Do you swear that the testimony that you're about to present is the truth and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury?
I do.
Okay. Okay, so Mr. Davis, I show that the last payment that we received was on July the 17th, and there's not been anything since then. What's going on?
I made a payment.
When did you make a payment?
Um, I just made another payment today. I mean yesterday
And how much was that for?
for 600.
Oh, okay. Ms. Carson, are you able to see that yet?
I checked this morning and I didn't see anything else.
I got the screenshot. I can show you the screenshot.
Okay, now you know that for it to show up for child support, you have to make it in advance of the date. And I'm sure you haven't received anything. Have you received anything, Ms. Williamson, since that payment on July the 17th?
No.
No.
But she gonna get
Okay.
something though. I just told her that I sent that. But she gonna get that.
Okay, but you made it sound like you had sent her more payments. So you only sent her the one payment that you just did yesterday, right?
So I thought it was a payment for August too. Yeah, I sent this. I thought I sent a payment for August too. I
Well,
know for sure.
yeah, you know, if you've made payments, you might need to pull out your receipts and check with child support, but we're still waiting to see the one that you made just yesterday. So if in fact that was for, $600, then that would, get you
Can I send it to
current.
the total? Can I send it to Jamicia?
No, you have to send it through child support.
No. Okay, I'll try not that, man.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna send her the receipt.
Oh, you said, oh, the receipt. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. But the money, the $600 you did pay through child support, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So what we're going to do is reset your matter. That gets you, of course, you have $5,844 in arrearages. So, this is taking care of this month of September and then the arrearages. So we do need to see, looks like it's about $250 in October.
Sorry, Your Honor, but
This
the
is probably the strongest point the judge makes. The father keeps talking about future money, tax refunds, and what will happen later. But raising a child doesn't happen later, it happens every single day. Rent, groceries, school supplies, and basic necessities can't wait months for a tax refund to arrive. Whether someone is struggling financially or not, the court's first concern is making sure the child has consistent support today, not promises about
but
tomorrow.
the arrears should be taken care of once the income tax, like not saying I'm depending on that, but they're gonna take my income tax, so that's gonna clear up the arrears, and I'm going forward paying monthly, so so she's not gonna have nothing to worry about that part.
Okay, well, that's a long way away
No, no,
because,
no, no. I was talking about for this year. They for this year.
but what I'm saying is that when they take the income tax, a lot of times it takes about 9 months for the parent to see it. So even if it was for this year, she'll be lucky to see that by December.
I
That's
know,
just the way that
but that's what I'm
process.
saying. She's gonna get money, money like money going forward every month. But what I'm saying is that the
Mhm.
arrears, I'm just letting you know that the arrears by the time we come up,
Okay,
the arrears gonna be zero. So that's what I'm trying to tell you.
I understand that, but but to take care of a child, you do need money today. So we have to make sure that that current support is going to be taken care of, and she has not received anything. Um, she received some in, well, I will say you have been paying every month. The amounts have not been um what we need them to be, but you
But
have
they're
been
going to get
paying
there,
every.
Gerald. You know what I'm saying? She know, like she know what we're gonna have going on. Like we're
Mhm.
gonna get a better understanding. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna help her out even more. Like outside.
Okay, well I mean that's future. That's between the two of you. But once the court is involved, my role is to make sure that this money is being paid every
I mean,
month. So you
I
do
just got.
need to make a payment for October,
I got
and
you.
then I'm going to see you again November the 1st.
All right,
Okay, and at that time, I'm going to be looking at your past history to make sure that you
man. You
paid
don't worry
for,
about
make sure that the $600 was actually received and that you made that payment for October.
it. All right,
Okay,
all right,
okay,
all
okay. You both are dismissed. Well,
right.
first of all, Miss Williamson, but because I haven't heard from you, and I don't actually, we can't actually see that $600. Do you trust that it has been made?
I mean, when I see it, I mean, I guess it'll come through Monday or Tuesday, so I'll know next week.
Mhm. Okay. Um,
She said
okay.
we can check.
Okay. So if there is any kind of discrepancy in what you're saying
This is the
right
moment
now,
where the hearing shifts. Up until now, the judge has been patient. But once there's uncertainty about whether that $600 payment actually exists, credibility becomes everything. Courts understand mistakes happen. What they don't tolerate is misleading information. From this point forward, every statement the father makes carries much more weight because the judge is paying close attention to whether his words match the
and what you're
records.
saying right now, Mr. Davis, you better make sure you get that $600 in, because when I look at this case on November the 1st, and if I find that that $600 was fictitious, then that's not going to be very good for you. You understand?
All right,
Okay.
all right.
Okay, then, but I'm sure you're
By
telling
the
the truth.
time it get to me, it won't be $600. It'll be some that goes to his other child's mother.
Oh, so it's going to get split.
Yes.
So how many other children are there, Mr. Davis?
I got 3 children total.
And they're all on,
Yeah, but what I'm saying is that I'm a, like y'all want me so broke. I'm gonna go take her. I'm gonna go take her the money I got from my Georgia Power. I'm gonna go take her. I'm about to take her $200 right now. I'm about to go drop $200 off to her right now. So it won't be. I'm not gonna pay my Georgia Power. I'm gonna just go take 200 that I got to pay my Georgia Power, and I'm gonna go take that
This
to
is where
her
the
right now.
human side of the case really comes through. You can hear genuine frustration from the father. He's trying to explain that he's working, juggling bills, and feels trapped financially. Whether viewers agree with him or not, it's obvious he feels overwhelmed. At the same time, the judge keeps returning to the same point: the court can only rely on verified payments, not verbal promises. That's the difficult balance in family court. One side is talking about personal hardship, while the other has to focus on documented financial responsibility and the child's well-being above everything
And I'm
else.
gonna go take that to her right now, so you can give me credit. I'm gonna take 200 to her right now. I already made the
Mhm.
payment, do child support, and I'm gonna take her 200 right now.
Well, that's fine, but
So go ahead and put
are
that
you
on there too.
working?
Take note of that.
Are you
Take note of that.
working?
I'm gonna take her $200 right now.
Are you working?
Yes, ma'am. I told y'all I'm working.
And what kind of job do you get a W-2?
Ma'am, listen, ma'am. I gotta explain the same thing every time. What I said, I got a house arrest monitor, so I can't really get a W-2 job right now. So I'm working 1099 jobs right now. But what I'm saying is that ain't like what I'm saying is that I told you what's about to happen. I already paid $600. I'm about to go take her $200 over there in cash right now.
But do you understand that everything that you say, there's no evidence for? So
No, but
that's
I'm trying to tell
great,
you. You just
but
said that you trying to see that she.
wait a minute, Mr. Davis. I'm the one talking now. Basically, what I'm seeing is $1,400 in arrearage. And honestly, that's not so, wait a minute, I'm looking at the wrong one. No, $5,800 in arrearage in your case. So that means that this is a low child support amount. I don't know what the others are like, but this is low. So you don't have a good track record in order to tell me and explain to me about what you're doing and how great it is, because your past says it all. So I just want to make sure that you understand that when I see you on November the 1st, that everything that you say has to be accurate. That's great if you want to that's great if you want to use your Georgia power, but it is still in the
Oh no,
future.
no. What I'm
It is
saying,
nothing that I
ma'am.
can
What I'm
see
saying,
now.
you're not
Okay,
listening.
I'm done, Mr. Davis. That's
No,
it.
what I'm
You
saying,
know,
because I can get credit. What I'm saying, I can get credit. What I'm saying is that I still pay a phone bill, but what I'm saying, I'm not even trying to account for none of that, man. Like you're making it seem like I'm just a deadbeat. I still
but
pay a phone bill. I still pay his phone
Mr.
bill.
Davis, the fact of the matter is that we're here in court today and I don't have any payments
Ending
to
Man,
says a
show for
lot.
you.
The judge isn't punishing the father for being poor, she's pointing out a pattern. Waiting until the day before court to make a payment naturally raises questions about consistency. Child support isn't supposed to happen only when a hearing is coming up. It's meant to be regular and dependable because a child's needs don't pause between court dates. Whether the father follows through before the next hearing will likely determine how the court views his credibility moving forward.
Any payments to
man,
show for you.
I don't got. I
But
don't.
I am not
I just
going
made a
to
payment.
argue back and forth. But
No, I'm
you
not trying
did
to
not
argue. You just
you
talking to
only
me.
made that payment because you had court today. Because
Fact.
obviously, if your intention was to pay, you would have paid it before yesterday. So I'm going to dismiss you before things get a little bit too heated here. And I will see you on November the 1st. And if you're going to make any payments, do not wait till the night before. You make them the week before your court hearing date, or I don't want to hear this anymore. You understand? Do you understand?
Man, they muted me.
Okay, goodbye. Thank you, Ms. Williamson. Position